Hi guys, you are watching Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing the Master of Science in Geoinformatics. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of services related to the studies. If you need any other guidance or any other related guidance related to studies, so you can contact us anytime, anywhere. And here, this is the course which is Master of Science in Geoinformatics, which is this is the mode is open distance learning. If you want this course, so you can do this course without going any institution. You have to just go for the examination and you can study at your home. The school is the School of Science. Duration is 2 years. The course duration is 2 years, and the medium is English. And the program description is given also here. So objectives are also given here. Like when the learners with the basic, so you can read this objectives. So how and what will you get from this course? And what are the targeted group also here? So defense and law enforcement personnel and many more. So note, IGNOU will try to make every effort to conduct laboratory courses in the program and the learner support center chosen by applicants. In case of an issue, university may allow a student to enroll learners to discretion. Learners may be advised to attend the laboratory courses at the learner support center different than the one chosen by them. Learners should be prepared for such a situation. So IGNOU has the laboratory courses also. Every so they are just suggesting that you may attend this laboratory courses at the learner support centers. For more information, you can go through this link also. Now, the eligibility also is given here. So, if you are a graduate in science, engineering, or technology, architecture, many more. If you actually, these are the some courses are given in which if you are eligible, if you have these degrees, you can go through it this course. If you have a fee structure, so fee structure is 15,700 per annum is the fees of this course. It means that about 31,400 is the full fees of this course, and program coordinator are also given. So if you need this and other information on other related guidance, so contact us on our WhatsApp number. We will provide all the related queries accordingly. Thank you so much for watching.